welcome back to the YouTube channel, and you already know what day it is. It's lake day. Let's go to the lake. It's July, it's summertime. What better way to spend your days than by some fresh water? I don't know about you guys, but going to the lake and going to the beach are two of my top two favorite summertime activities. Best way to spend my time during the summer. I love the water. Comment down below what your favorite way is to spend your summertime. City has so many cool, awesome, cute patterns for summertime socks. Go check out our site. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.